In hygienic processing, every detail matters, from the precision of your measurements to the reliability of your partners. At Anderson-Negele, we help food, beverage, and life science manufacturers around the world run cleaner, smarter, and safer processes. For over 90 years, we've specialized in hygienic sensors designed for CIP, SIP, and the unique demands of sanitary environments. Whether it's flow, level, pressure, temperature, turbidity, or conductivity, our instruments are engineered for the most demanding applications. But what truly sets us apart isn't just our technology, it's our people. Our team brings unmatched application expertise and a deep commitment to partnership. We don't just sell sensors, we solve problems, simplify compliance, and help you make better data-driven decisions. And as your needs evolve, we're driving digital transformation with IO-Link connectivity, paperless process recording, and online tools like our 3D configurator. From startup to scale-up, from legacy systems to smart factories, Anderson-Negele is here to support you every step of the way. We are Anderson-Negele, and we are hygienic by design.